Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options here and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, such a bearish week in the market, right? Bank Nifty moving down by 5%, Nifty moving down by 2.3%, right? So what can we expect for this? And we also have budget lining up this week, right? So the budget's on Wednesday. I think it starts from 10 a.m. if I'm not wrong. But anyways, what can we expect from there? Will there be more fall or will the budget week or will we see a very green candle from here completely recovering this fall? Uh, what can happen, right? And also how to trade the budget. I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you can trade the budget and if you should trade the budget at the first point, right? Or should you just sit back and relax and whatnot? Yeah. So first of all, in the weekly chart, if you can see, Nifty came down from here, consolidated over here, consolidated for 4 weeks, and then now it's breaking down, right? So sentiments seem bearish. So from here, we will go with the trend, right? From here, we will go with the trend with Nifty till at least 17,100 to 17,000. That looks like the immediate support that Nifty can take. 17,200 is also good level. So at least until 17,200, we can go with the trend over here and keep on selling. We can see a good selling pressure till at least 17,200 and 17,000 levels on the downside, right? That's for Nifty. Same with Bank Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty is still consolidating in a more kind of a wider range, but still Bank Nifty was consolidating. Bank Nifty then broke this range over here, and we saw very big selling in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty, right? Bank Nifty also continuously moving down. It looks like the next support is near 39,000 to 38,000 level. 38,000 is a very big support. 38,000 is a very good support, right, on the downside. So we can also expect Bank Nifty to move down a thousand, at least 1,000 to 1,500 points more from here, and Nifty to move down at least 400 points from here. 350 to 400 points at least on the downside, right? So there is still some space, but there is budget arriving, right? So under normal conditions, we would have just continued selling, right? But since the budget is coming up, what could happen is that we could see a lot of volatility in the market, and these levels may not arise because of maybe the news that comes out in the budget, right? Maybe the budget might be good for the market, maybe the budget might be bad. So things could get very volatile. But yeah, first let's talk about technically. As I said, technically these are the levels that we can reach in the coming week, or in the coming, or maybe we could stop over here for a week and then break down in the next week, right? So these are the levels that you can watch out in the coming days, right? Again, in Nifty Bank, if you see, Bank Nifty, if you see, continuous selling, very good selling in the last two sessions, right? So from here, it looks like Bank Nifty should take some rest over here, should pause over here, and if we do pause over here, then we can see a very good trend coming in on in the coming days, right? So what could happen is that if we do not break 40,001, whatever the low is, 40,150 tomorrow and day after tomorrow, then on the budget day, we could expect a very big fall if the news is not good for the banks, right? Maybe again a 1,000 point fall, something like that. Because what will happen is that Bank Nifty move down. Now it's taking support over here, something like support. So what is happening is that buyers are going to get added over here, right? And sellers maybe will try to square off their position because they are feeling like the market is not moving down. So if the buyers do get added at this level, what will happen is that once we break down again from there, all the buyers who would have gotten added at these levels, they'll start fearing that, okay, the market is breaking down again, let me just exit my position, right? So definitely we can expect, if we do see some sort of a pause over here for some time, then on the budget day we can expect a big fall if the news does not support the banks, right? So yeah, that's one scenario if we do pause over here, right? But what could happen is that if we do open the gap down, what will happen, right? I mean, say if you would have been a seller who would have say shorted at say 41,500, right? Or let's leave 41,500. If you would have even shorted at 41,700, right? If you would have said that, okay, this range is breaking, let me short, you would already have been in 1,500 points of profit, right? And now 40,000 is a very good psychological support, right? So if you're opening with a gap down, you are getting even more profit. If you're a seller, you would definitely want to square off your positions, right? Because you will be like, okay, I am in such a good profit. Let me just square off my position, right? So if tomorrow we open with a gap down, we could see a reversal from here at least until like 40,300. We are going to see the exact levels in the 15-minute chart. But yeah, if we do open the gap down, we could see a green candle over here, and probably we could wait over here for a few days and then maybe break down from here. Or we could see a green candle, wait over here for a few days, make some sort of a bullish price action and move up from here, right? There could be two scenarios, and we are going to talk about that in the 15-minute charts in detail coming up, right? Same with Nifty. If you see very good selling from here, but Nifty looks like things could go down a little bit more from here without taking a pause till at least like 17,500, 17,000. 400 17,420 to 17,400. So Nifty still has a little bit of space to fall down from here, right? We are going to talk about in the 15-minute chart where exactly can Nifty take support and from where exactly can Nifty reverse, right? So if you see in the 15-minute chart, as you can see, you had a very good opportunity even on Friday to short Nifty, because Nifty pretty much opened flat, right? And then it started moving down. So you could have easily shorted as soon as we would have crossed 17,850, and you would have gotten a very, very good profit, easily a 300, 350 points profit, right? I mean, you definitely couldn't have exited at the end, right? But if you would have exited somewhere near 17,600 also, that would have also been that would have also resulted into a very good profit, right? So tomorrow is going to be very simple. Nifty still has a little bit of space to move down from it. So from here, once we start breaking 17,520 on the downside, 510 to 520. If you want to be a little bit more sure, you can wait for also a 5-minute closing over here. As soon as we break 17,510 to 520 on the downside, then you guys can go ahead and short Nifty till at least 17,420 to 410 on the downside. After there, maybe we can expect a little bit of reversal, right? Same with Bank Nifty, if you see, but Bank Nifty has a little less space over here because Bank Nifty has already fallen even more, right? I mean, you wouldn't have also gotten an opportunity over here to enter, because we already opened with a gap down. So yeah, I mean, pretty much a lot of move has already gone in the gap down, right? But anyways, same with Nifty. If you see, Bank Nifty below 40,200 is where you guys can go ahead and take a short position till 40,000 only, right? Because 40,000 is a very good round level, and from here we could see a very, very good reversal coming in Bank Nifty till again 40,300 till again 40,400, 40,500 levels, right? That's if we open flat and start moving down. What if we start moving up, right? Very simple. If we start moving up, all the sellers would start booking profit, and we could see at least a good move till 40,650 on the upside. So tomorrow, if we open flat and start crossing 40,440 to 450 on the upside, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position over here till 40,650 on the upside at least, right? Because from here we can expect a little bit of short covering, and what could happen is that Bank Nifty could move up from here till 40,800, 40,600, spend a day or two over here, and then on the budget day maybe break down, because you never know, right? And budget days sometimes tend to be a little bit more volatile, so maybe even break down on the expiry after the budget, right? So Bank Nifty could spend a few days over here and not break this low, and then afterwards go ahead and break this low, right? Or maybe not even break this low, but spend some time over here and then start moving up from here, right? Those could be the two scenarios. So for tomorrow, as I said, 40,200, below 40,200 is where you can go ahead and sell till 40,000, and above 40,440 is where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position till 40,650 on the upside. And yeah, that's for Bank Nifty. Again, in Nifty, very simple, as I said, on the downside, 17,500, below 17,510, you guys can go and take short position till 17,420. On the upside, if we do break 17,670, if we do break this level 17,670, your first target can become 17,780 to 770 on the upside, right? So yeah, now the question, should you trade the budget, right? Should you trade the budget at any, I mean, at the first place, right? Should you trade the budget or should you not trade the budget? The very simple answer is, if you're in the markets, if you recently come into the markets, just close your screen and sleep. right? There is no need to trade the budget. The budget days seem to be very, very volatile. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the chart of the last budget day, and you guys can see. Yeah, so this is the budget chart of February. I mean, this is a budget day of 2022. It was February 1st, 2022. And as you can see, Bank Nifty opened with a gap up, went up till like, I mean, from 38,200 to 38,800 in the first half, then moved down again to 38,200, then moved up. And then we saw this very big fall, but then again, we saw a very good reversal, right? So as you can see, budget days can be very, very volatile. So if you are new to the market, just do not trade the budget. And what could happen over here is that if you are experienced, right, then you can go ahead and trade the budget. And what you can do is, you can take trades when we break down or break out above the day's high or day's low, right? So if you can see over here, right, we made a day's high over here and we made a day's low, right? So from here, when you saw that after the second half, right, in the second half, if you see we are breaking down from it, then you can take a trade, but keep your target small. I mean, keep a stop loss also and target also small. Do not aim for like 1:5, 1:6, 1:8. I don't know, right? Because what could happen is that something like this could happen and your target may never come, right? Maybe your stop loss might get hit, right? So, and option sellers, what it will be a very, very good trade for you if you're an option seller, because what happens generally is that like by 12 p.m. a lot of news has already come. So options start decaying very fast, right? Because then the uncertainty in the market start going down and options start decaying very fast. So if you're an option seller, it will be a very, very good day to sell options directionally while keeping small targets, right? So what you could have done is that you could have sold once we broke down from here, and you could have easily gone to like 38,000 in one candle itself, right? So yeah, that keep small targets, and you can sell options, but do not sell options in the first half because there is still a lot of uncertainty. So options do not give up a lot of value, right? So in the second half, you can think about selling options, maybe catch a reversal trade if you feel, if you see that okay, such a big red candle got made, and then immediately we're seeing a big green candle also, then you can take a maybe a reversal trade from here till like till holding till the day end, because then you will see a very, very good crash in option prices. So yeah, if you're an option trader, I mean, if you also want to buy option, do buy it in the second half only, because then option prices would already have been crashed. So you can get option prices. I mean, you can get good option prices for option buying also, right? But if you are an option seller, you would want to look at selling options between, I mean, somewhere near 12 to 12:30 p.m. because maybe from 11 p.m., but I would recommend wait till like at least 12 to 12:30 p.m. and then go ahead and sell options, because then you will get a very, very good DK on your options. So, anyways, guys, that was it for today. I hope you like my analysis, and thank you for watching till the end, right? And I know this video got a little bit longer, but sorry, that's just, I just had a lot of points to explain. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in another video, and bye bye.